Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope so you all are fine with the blessing of Allah Almighty. Today our topic is count and write. KG1 class. In this lecture we will count the objects in each row and then we will write the correct number in the box. So first of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Okay students, let's start. KG1 class, count with me. How many butterflies are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many butterflies are there? These are 6 butterflies. Now students, we will write the number 6 in the box like this. Okay KG1 class, let's count. How many carrots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. How many carrots are there? These are 7 carrots. Now we will add the number 7 in the box like this. Now students, count with me. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many stars are there? These are 8 stars. Now students, we will write the number 8 in the box like this. Okay students, let's count. How many teddy bears are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many teddy bears are there? These are 9 teddy bears. Now we will write the number 9 in the box like this. Okay students, let's count. How many footballs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. These are 10 footballs. How many footballs are there? These are 10 footballs. Now students, we will write the number 10 in the box like this. Okay KG1 class, it is our today lesson. I hope you have understand it. Goodbye students.